welcome to 5th grade. That's right, we are working on our 5th grade skills today. I hope you are doing well. We have the gems from all areas except for Skywatch. After Skywatch, I think we'll climb up the Dark Tower until we are finished. Let's go ahead and begin. Now, there aren't as many.
Skywatch, like its name, watches over all the world from above and controls the weather.
All right.
Rare pets fly through the clouds, collecting storm power. Battle and collect pets of storm magic.
I like this.
The Puppet Master thinks he can use the weather to help him. But that won't happen if you get the Skywatch Keystone.
It's all up to us, guys.
We're looking at a complete shutdown here, and it's all because of your plans! At least they're smarter than you, Bolthead.
Wow, Broccolina.
Hello? Just do your job and trim those vines before Gramps finds out.
All right.
I would, if I could, Squirt. The greenhouse is full of monsters again.
Oh, no.
Let's head to that greenhouse and help them out. Maybe then they'll stop fighting.
All right, sounds good. So yeah, there aren't as many 5th grade skills as there were 4th grade skills. So we're going to be working on that. I did buy some armor before we began. And just to let you know, now that we are in the 5th grade content, I am going to go ahead and be using calculator for multiplication, division, other things like that. For this, though, really we're just manipulating the decimal. So we have 3 zeros over here. We're going to move it 1, 2, 3. So 5,782.3 is going to be the answer. If we're multiplying, the number becomes larger as we move it. If we're dividing, the number becomes smaller as we move it when we're looking at our place values. So yeah, be sure to like, be sure to subscribe. I will be doing some other videos along the lines of this, as well as some really other fun, cool stuff coming up. So this is dividing, which means that our end result is going to be smaller. So we're going to move the decimal over this way by 10. There's 1 0, so that's the tens place. So it's going to be 460.07. And there we go. All right, I'm just about done with the, there we go, Shadow Blast. With the weeklies, if you remember from last video, I did have a few of the Shadow Blast skills left. All right, we're adding decimals. There's not going to be regrouping here, so we're just going to add right straight down. And so it is going to be 13.90, which is 1390. Woohoo. And let's go ahead and do Lightning Strike and see what happens with this. Should be enough, I think, even if it's weak. It is enough. All right. There we go. And Iceberg should finish it off. Let's see. It does. Battle is over with. Nice, nice, nice. Woohoo! All right, let's get all of the rewards. Open this up. And we're not going to wear that. I don't think it is stronger than what I've got on. All right, and then let's go ahead and actually check this out first. Got our dailies done. And then the bonus is gonna reset in 11 hours. Got stuff to do today, so I don't know if I'm gonna get this video out first thing in the morning or not. But we will see when it gets out. So here we go. We have to defeat 3 Cloudneeks. All right, Shadow Blast. Boom. And then we're subtracting. It looks like we are not doing regrouping. 17 minus 5 is going to be 12. And then that 6 minus 3 is going to be 3 and 0 on to the end. So 1230 is going to be our answer. All right, we'll clamp down on this Cloudnik and that should finish it. It does. And then we have a couple more. All right, let's get our rewards. Come on up over here. Remember, Billyfoot is hiding behind this machine. All right, we're adding to the tents. So this is going to be regrouping 9 and 8. That's 17. That's going to move over to our second column from the tenths to the ones place, and then that's going to be 8.7. So 8.7. All right, Shadow Blast again. That was a nice hit. And clamp. There we go. All right, let's get our rewards. And looks like we completed the question treasure track, I believe. All right, here is Shadow Blast. We'll have to see what we completed. Now we are subtracting with regrouping, so 7 becomes 6, the 1 becomes 11, so 6 minus 2 is 4.2 is our answer. We can add up to double check to make sure we get 7.1. And clamp, we're going to bite down right here. There we go. And so with the decimals, the main thing we have to think about is just keeping the decimal in the correct place, like we talked about in 4th grade, in the 4th grade content. Just keep it in the correct place.
You helped me out. Thanks, I guess.
You're welcome.
Now you can get back to work.
You're not pushy at all, are you, Benny? All right, 200 gold.
I didn't see you there. The name's Benny, and this is my sister, Broccolina.
Hello, guys.
This is Skywatch, home of the famous Grand Weather Factory. I take care of the machines that make the weather, and my sister takes care of the plants.
Nice.
Since you're a wizard, we could sure use your help.
All right, we are here for you.
Head to my place and pick up my weatherometer. I needed to take some readings around Skywatch.
Sounds good. We are off. All right, let's see which one we have here. Cast 8 spells. All right, so we still need to get the 500 pet stars. And we're coming through here. All right, we're going to battle the Evilotus. And we have a Trip Trap, we have a Muckster, and the Evilotus. Good hit there. All right, 4.1 meters, 2 centimeters. It's 2 place values. There's 100 centimeters in 1 meter. So we're going to do 4,100 centimeters. Oh, no, 410 centimeters. 1, 2, we move it twice. That would be millimeters. There we go. All right. Now remember, when you make mistakes, it is a-okay. Just rethink how you're thinking about the problem. No worries at all. Here we go with Frostbeer. Boom. All right, I might switch to my AoE here if my wizard is still alive. Actually, let's just go ahead and do a Sparkstorm and see if that finishes off the Muckster, which it does. Oh, it finishes off 2 of them. That's awesome. And goodbye to my wizard. Right here is Keeper. Find the median for the following set of data. Median is in the value in the middle of the data sets. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The 2 is going to be the median. Woohoo! And we are going to be doing Iceberg here. There's this weird thing. I don't know if you have anything like this, but median and mode for me, for some reason, I was never able to keep all of them separate. And so my entire life, even as a kid, that was the one thing where I like needed to try and figure out what median I was looking for, what mode I was looking for. And so yeah, it's never stuck in my brain that median is in the middle and then mode is the average or most common. I'm not really sure. We'll figure that out. Okay, how would you write this decimal in words? We are going to be doing 500. Oh, this is 524 thousandths, I believe, is what we're going to say with that. Yes, that's right. Okay. The and is usually where the period is, so. Awesome. There we go. So yeah, this is going to get more and more amusing the higher we go, because these are pretty much just, I load all of the skills in and then, you know, we go ahead and answer the questions and figure it out. So how would you write this number in numeric form? 673 thousandths. So 0 points. I believe that's correct. It is. Awesome. 673 thousandths. Right, you know, this should finish off one of these funky heals, so let's go ahead and it does. Boom. Another big hit here. Alright. These are the two here in Skywatch where they are your wizard's level. So when you get up to level 100 and you're grinding for pets, that's a really good place to go. There are 0.97 grams of salt in a container, and Nyan uses 0.56 grams. How many grams are left in the container? So we have the 0, I'll put the 0 in, 97, and 0.56. We're going to subtract that out, which is going to give us 0.41 is going to be our answer. 0.41 grams, and there we go. All right, let's go ahead and use Iceberg right over here. There we go. And weak to storm, so lightning strike, here we come. And we got you. Nice, nice, nice. All right, so let's get all of these rewards. Open this door up. We finished our treasure track. Uh-oh, the Hob stole it.
That monster has the device. We'd better catch it.
All right, let's head on out here. Ooh, it went this way. And there is Vampire. I am a vampire. Vampire. All right, and coming up this way. We'll come back for the Vampire in just a second. Let's go ahead and get our quest, though, going here. We finished 25 shadow spells, which is awesome. And then our daily is going to be 500 pet stars. And then we're all done with the treasure track, so we're going to have to wait.
Haha, we've got you now.
That's right, Newt. We do have it now. All right, greatest to least. So our numbers are here. This is going to be the largest number. This is going to be the second largest number. This will be the smallest number. You go down the place value to see what comes up. So 16 is bigger than 15. 0.4 is bigger than 0.0. And so 15.4 is going to be bigger than 15.0. And so 1, 2, 3. This has 1, 2, 3. So B is that order. A is mixed up, and then C is least to greatest. All right, oh, we finished that, so I can go ahead and switch up my wand if I feel like it. I might take a look and see what sorts of things I can purchase. The 2 clamp, I don't know if it's enough. It is enough, awesome. And there we go. And look at that, we have the weather-o-meter. And we got attacked right before we could talk to Broccolina and to Benny. Alright, pretty good hit here. And we're going to start out with our flash just to kind of chisel away. There we go. And write this decimal in expanded form. So 4 times 100 plus 1 times 10 plus 2 times 1 plus 5 times 1/10 plus 4 times 100th plus 8 times 1,000th. And there we go. Love expanded form. Alright, we're gonna try to finish you off, Arctic Claw. And not quite enough. Big old water blob there from the River Creator. Okay, so we are going to be doing, practicing some regrouping here. 9 plus 7 is going to be 16, so we regroup up over here. And then 5 plus 9 is 14, plus 1 is 15. So we bring that up, and then there, and we have 11. So 1156 is our answer. Woohoo! And this should finish off River Creator. It does. See what happens here. Is that gonna that got me? All right. So 1.5 plus what equals 9.94. Well, this is, we can subtract this out. That is going to be 8.44. I'm sure you can read that. 8.44. There we go. Woohoo. I need like a pen setup like Sal Khan has, you know, where I could just like write it out as a, that would be lovely. All right, lightning strike. Let's see if this does enough. It does. All right, and then this should finish us up with our Shadow Blast. There we go. All right, and let's get our rewards here.
Wow, what a champ!
Thank you, Benny. 200 gold.
That monster chewed my weather-o-meter to bits! Guess we'll have to do this the old-fashioned way.
Uh-oh.
I'll have to check the machines manually, but I'll need my sister first. Check the greenhouse for me. She's always there, murking around.
She's not standing next to you at all. All right, so since Broccolina is not standing right next to Benny, we're gonna have to go check the greenhouse. All right, this is a Flick Flit convention. Oh man. All right, we're just gonna try some AoE here. They're all 350. Okay, so we can add this back up. The answer is going to be this 6.5. If I add 6 plus 4, that's going to be 0, so it's not going to have a 100th place. And then 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 1 more is 15, so it would be 0.5, so it's 6.5. That's as far as I have to go using process of elimination to figure out which one isn't going to be working. Alright, so that works out well. And then complete the addition statement. These are kind of fun. So we have to get to 0.03. And so I believe the only way we can do that is here, and that would be 5.03. Yep, that works. Alright, Sparkstorm. And it hit just about everyone, so that's good. And then this Starbit is going to definitely connect, so we'll use that. There we go. And Dance Party. Awesome, awesome. Let's get those rewards. We'll come up and get our heart-shaped balloon as well. Chewed Honeycomb. That is for Barbarian, I believe. Yep, Barbarian. Awesome, awesome. So Barbarian and Pirate Isle are the last mythical epic quests that we can go on. Be sure to check out. Ooh, we got some Tweety Birds before Vampire. Vamplifier. Alright, they are going crazy here. Alright, so subtracting to 0.01. There are a couple of different paths we can make. Let's see. That would be 5, so... Alright, so let's see. For 7... we could do a 2. There we go, that works, okay. Woohoo! Took a little while to look at that and figure out what it is. We're just going to try AoE and see if we can get all of them. 450 isn't that large if we hit them. So let's just see if we can go ahead and go through these. Alright, a group of 5th grade students measured the time of some flights to the closest half of an hour. Their data is here. What is the sum of the time of the shortest flight and the time of the longest flight? Okay, so shortest flight is 3.5 hours. Longest flight is 6.5 hours. So that's going to be 10 hours. And 10 hours, there we go. Woohoo! And let's go ahead and do Flash. And so yeah, basically for those questions, you're really just following the directions to see what it is you should do, and then attempting to execute that. Alright, so we got one of them gone. And they're about to get me gone. Maybe 2 of us. Got a fumble. We needed that. Alright, so Iceberg on the Tribeak. There we go. And then Starbit on the Squawks. Boom. And there we go. Alright, let's get all of the rewards. And Vamplifier time. Wish me luck. There we go. Start out with a fumble. Good job, good job. Alright. And so... multiply to find the total length of all objects at 6/8 of a centimeter. So this would be 7/8, this would be 6/8. And so the total length of them would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we're doing 6/8 times 7. And remember, we can write 7 as 7 over 1, which is 6 times 7 is going to be 48, or 42. over 8, because of 8. 8 times 1 equals 8. So 42 eighths. So here we are doing a 7 times 6 over 8, which gives us, do not reduce our answer, 42 over 8. And there we go. All right, let's go ahead and start off with, let's actually do Vamplifier. That's a pretty good hit there. Then we'll follow it up with an AoE. All right, so we are regrouping for this one because 7 does not go into 9, 4 does not go into 5. So 9 becomes 8. 14, we have to continue to regroup, becomes 13, and then 17. So 17 minus 9 is 8, 13 minus 5 is 8, 8 minus 3 is 5. So 5.88 is going to be our answer. There we go. And so we're just going to do Flash here, which is a guaranteed hit. And there we go. And let's see, which is the total mass? What is the total mass of all objects? So we have 1/8. This is going to be 2/8 and 2/8, so 4/8. 5/8 is going to be the total mass. Divide the total into 4 equal groups. How much does each group weigh? So we're dividing it into 4 equal groups. And when we divide, division is the inverse of multiplication. So if we multiply a fraction, it's times 4 over 1. Dividing by 4 over 1 is the same as multiplying 1 over 4. Has the same effect on the answer. So we're going to multiply 1 over 4. And so it's going to be 5 here for our numerator. Our denominator is going to be 32. 5/32. Woohoo! All right, and let's just see where Lightning Strike goes. It didn't hit what I wanted to hit, but I'm pretty sure if Keeper is still around, then Keeper will be able to finish off our Zip Zap right here. And Keeper is still around. I'm going to throw an Iceberg at Zip Zap. And there we go. All right, and I think Shadow Blast is probably a better choice here if it doesn't miss. But Lightning Strike should finish this off. No, it doesn't. Wow. Shocking. All right, goodbye, Keeper. So here we have right the decimal. This is 35, 36, 37. The decimal that the point, okay, so 0.37 is the decimal. Woohoo. And we'll do Starbit to finish this off, and we have won. Nice. All right, get the rewards. Open up our Shadow Crate. Nice. Not now. Not now. Let's double check to see if it's worth it to wear it. So, level 85 for that. It's actually less than we have now. It's level 85. All right, that's also, okay, that's quite a bit lower. So I think we're in our best stuff. Let's come on up here. Straight into the battle. All right. So these are going to be the 2 that are leveled up to my level. 0.84 is going to be greater than 0.602. It's closer to 1. So it's going to be, let's do a chromie here. It's going to be closer to that. And then we'll do flash. Not too bad. I don't think that the AoE 0.5, 0.51, 0.52, 0.53, 0.54, 0.55. Okay. Just wanted to make sure I was in the middle there. I don't think that Sparkstorm is enough to guarantee finishing off a Chromie, so we're going to go ahead and just make sure we get him under control before we move on to the others. Alright. .5 meters to centimeters is 350 centimeters. Woohoo! Remember, it goes over twice. So, centa, like cent, there's 100 cents in $1. And then we'll do Frost Spear at you, and that Growl is gone. Wow, I'm still alive. Alright, I'm going to go and do Starbit here. And that'll get Growl low enough for me to finish him up. So 544 ounces, 2 pounds. We have to divide by 16 ounces, or 16 ounces in a pound. So I'm going to take 544. This is going to be the beginning of the calculator. So 544 divided by 16, there's 34 pounds. And there we go. If your teacher, parent says go ahead and write your work out, though, definitely go ahead and write your work out. And we won the battle. Awesome, awesome. All right, let's get all rewards here. Come on up. And looks like we can get something from the treasure track. All right, so pints to quarts. There should be, let me try to get this right. 2 pints in a quart? 2 pints in a quart. Okay, so we have to divide this by 2 to get our answer, which really isn't that hard. So we're going to do 4,476, and that should be the correct answer. So that's something I can do in my head, so no worries there. All right, let's go ahead and try to get our Evolotus gone. All right. And then 53 yards, 2 feet. There are 3 feet in every yard, so you have to multiply this by 3. And that's also quite easy to do. It's going to be 3 times 50 is going to be 150. 3 times 3 is going to be 9, so 159 should be our answer. So that's all still mental math, in my opinion. All right, there we go. Okay, so Keeper will get 1 more turn. We need to make sure we finish off this Evolotus, though, so let's go ahead and do that. And I think we're going to see what happens with this Cloaker. That's okay. I'll be able to finish the Cloaker off with a Starbit. And then we just have the Cloud and Nibbler. All right, 10 liters to milliliters. There are 1,000 milliliters in 1 liter. So there's going to be 10,000. 1, 2, 3. All right, there we go. We'll start out with the Lightning Strike. Awesome. Boom. And then 9,000 milligrams, 2 grams. It's the same relationship of thousands. So we can take away these 3 zeros, and because that's going to be 1,000. which means we have 9 grams. Woohoo! So yeah, once you get conversion down, it's pretty straightforward. You just have to know what you're doing with it. Double check your values every once in a while. All right, so 1 to 1,000, 2 to 2,000, 5 to 5,000, and then 7 to 7,000, and that is our conversion table. From kilometers to meters. All right, Starbit should finish this up for us. And it does. Nice. All right, let's get our rewards here and then make our way up over this way. All right, I'm not gonna. Actually, let's go battle that hob. Let's see what's going on with our quests here. We finished our daily, so that's our last daily. The bonus will start tomorrow when I hope to be doing 6th grade skills. I'd like to get all of this sort of like wrapped up before we're all heading back to school and all of that. So I think I'm going to do that. And then that. And then one more AoE, and that should chisel them down enough to go ahead and wrap this up. Boom. Ouch. Alright, Sparkstorm, do your thing. Nice. Alright. So this is milliliters to liters, which basically means I'm writing these numbers without the thousands. And so it's 4, 5, 8, 7. And then 4, 5, 8, 8. 4, 5, 8, 9. Because 1 liter has 1,000 milliliters. It is equivalent to, so 4590. So it's very quick transition there. All right, let's see where this is going to go. And it hits, which is awesome. All right, and so we have pounds, 2 ounces. This is 5 3/4. So 3/4 of a pound, we have to figure that out first, is going to be what up here? We can do 16 times, I know the answer, but 16 times 3 is going to be 48. Divided by 4 is going to be 12. So 12/16. This is how you can figure out what should go here is you multiply these two together, and then you divide the answer that's going to be kitty corner with that. So 12. So we have to add 12 to our answer here, which is going to be 5 times 16. That's 80 plus 12 is going to be 92. Now all we have to do is add 16 more as we go down, because it's 5 3/4, 6 3/4, 7 3/4, 8 3/4. So 92 plus 16 is going to be 108. Plus 16 is 124. Oh, that's not a 2. And then plus 16 is going to be 140. All right. And there we go. So we'll do our lightning strike here. Boom. And then toss our starbit. Nice. dance party. Woohoo! All right, we'll get all of our rewards here and then go inside to the greenhouse.
Look, a note. It says that Broccolina is trimming the Beanovator. Let's go find her.
All right, let's go. The Beanovator must be down this a ways. And up through our Beanovator elevator.
Oh, hi there. Benny wants my help again? Huh, figures. Wow, what a champ!
Thank you. All right, you have the vine pruner.
Well, now that we have your trimmers, you can fix up the trolley to the rest of Skywatch.
All right.
But the monsters?
Uh-oh.
Quit being a baby, Brock! Okay, Wizard, time to help out again. First, trim the vines covering the trolley. Then check on the wind machine for me, okay?
Sounds good. All right, but first we're going to get into this wizard battle here. 200 gold. And come on up over here. All right, and this is Mary Moss. So let's go ahead and battle Mary Moss. So this is 11 meters greater than or less than 9,000 millimeters. Now remember, 9,000 millimeters is going to be 9 meters. So 11 meters is greater than 9 meters. Woohoo! And what do we want to do here? We're just going to go ahead and do hail shards. We're going to do a little AoE here. Awesome. 80 yards to 280 feet. So 280 feet divided by 3, because there are 1 yard has 3 feet in it, is going to give us 3 times 7. No, 3 times 9 is going to be 27, and then 10 down. That would be 93.3 repeating, I believe. And so 80 yards is going to be less than 280 feet. 240 feet is 80 yards. Woohoo. All right, let's see if we can defeat this Flamegur. Not quite, but that's okay. I think I might continue on with our AoE here. And then just see if we can finish off the Flamegur, which will allow my wizard to focus on Mary Moss. And then Keeper to focus on our Nabluff here that just healed. Here comes Iceberg. There we go. And then we're going to do Starbit here. And that's enough. Awesome, awesome. All right, let's get these rewards. Head on down here. All right, let's go ahead and get this guy. So we're getting our battles in here. All right, so liters to kiloliters. Our decimal is going to change this to KL right here. So 32.0, 32.0, that's going to be equal to each other. Woohoo. And we have higher levels, so we're going to go ahead and focus on finishing off our Cloud Gobbler. 12 pounds to 200 ounces. Which one is higher? Well, pounds to ounces is 16. So we have to figure out 12 times 16, that's 192. So 12 pounds is less than 200 ounces. Oh, sorry, less than. My mouth said it correctly. My finger didn't do it correctly. There we go. So double check your work. We're just going to do a flash here. I don't have anything I can direct directly at this Cloud Gobbler, and my Cloud Gobbler should be able to launch something that hopefully finishes this. All right, William has a garden where he measured the height of a sunflower plant on the first day. On the first day, it was 133.4 centimeters tall. After 2 weeks, it grew 36 centimeters. What is the height of the sunflower plant in centimeters? So we're adding these two up. Let's go ahead and write this over here. 133.4 and then 36.6, which is going to be, carry that, 170. So the height in centimeters right now is 170 centimeters. And so then after 3 more weeks, the new height was 2.83 meters. How many meters did the sunflower plant grow in 3 weeks? So let's see. It's 170 centimeters after 2 weeks. 3 more weeks is 2.83 meters. That's crazy. Okay, so I guess 1.7 meters is what it is now. And the new height, so 1.7 meters. 1.7 meters, sorry about those all extra dots. 2.83. We're going to subtract this out, which would be 1.13 is how much it grew. And you want to check the different centimeters or meters, what you're answering in with these conversions. Sometimes it gets a little bit tricky, and that's one of the things that focusing on can make sure you get the question correct. All right, Cloud Nibbler hits us. And we're going to see if Iceberg will finish off this Cloud Caller. Ooh, it's close. Let's make sure Cloud Caller is gone. There we go. And here we go with Lightning Strike. Boom. Rhiannon has 5 sticks of butter. Each stick of butter weighs the same, and the total mass of the butter is 230 grams. So we're going to divide 5 sticks by 230 to get the total grams. 5 goes into 23 4 times, so 46 grams is going to be it. Rhiannon buys another 0.45 kilograms of butter. What is the total amount of the butter, total mass of all the butter in kilograms? So we have 230 kilograms. They buy 0.45 kilograms, which is going to be in grams. Oh, let's go ahead and I'm just going to do never mind, 0.45. Had a little moment there, didn't I? And then 230 is going to be 0.25. So that's going to be 0.7. 0.7 kilograms. Oh, wait, what? 0.45, 230. Okay, so 0.68. I couldn't read the 3 that I wrote there. 0.68 kilograms. There we go. So yeah, double check your work, double check your work. Yeah, not quite enough. All right, complete the line plot. So 2 3/8, 1, 2, 3. We have 3. 2 1/2, we have 4. 2 5/8, we have 6. And then 8, and then 3. Okay. So we're just really just putting that information, that data, onto the table. Onto the line plots. There we go. We got our rewards here. Open this up. And another chewed honeycomb. Let's get this chopped up. Now we can go a little further and check on the machine. Have some Tweety birds. We've got a tri-beak going on here. And then a squawks. Right, multiple hit there. But we are doing okay. All right. I'm going to see if Starbit will finish this off. I kind of feel like it will. Nope, not going to do it. All right, so 5 and a... Let's see, so 6, we're going to be doing 3. 6.5, we're going to be doing 9. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then 7 is going to be 8, which would be 1 less than 9. 7.5 is 2 less than 8. That's 6. And 5.5 is nothing. Okay. So we'll just go ahead and do Spark Storm. There we go. You made contact. All right, volume is going to be length times width times depth. So what we have to do is we just have to multiply all of this together. So 8 times 9 times 8 is 576 feet cubed feet. And Iceberg for the win. Nice, nice, nice. All right. And we'll get all rewards here. Open this up. And we have a wrench. Awesome. We're not going to wear it, though. Oh, we have to take care of that first. And now we can go. All right. Ooh, look at that.
What is that?
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, those vines look too strong for a vine pruner. We should tell Benny and Broccolina about this.
Wow, what a champ!
Thank you.
I'd say it's time for you to learn a new spell.
Awesome. Okay, so you have Basic Storm or Relic.
Oh no! Those nasty claws have clogged up the machines again!
Uh-oh.
They seem to come back a lot, but don't worry. We just need to upgrade the trimmer.
Okay.
Not a bad idea. The parts are in the factory, but it's locked and Gramps has hidden the key again.
Again?
Look for clues around Skywatch. They'll tell us where to find the key.
Sounds good. All right, we're going to go ahead and get this Stormy Tri-Beak, battle this Stormy Tri-Beak. And boom, boom. All right, Frost Spear. And so volume, again, this is going to be 13 times 13, 169 times 10, which just at a place value, so 1690 squared cubed meters is going to be our answer, meters cubed. Boom, and that is enough. All right. And let's get our reward. And another chewed honeycomb. That is crazy. Now, let's see what is going on here. Alright, so 9 times 8 is 72. Times 10 would be 720. We really don't need a calculator for this one at all. Ooh. And we have some that are 480, so we might be able to just go ahead and, if we don't miss them. We're going to change it up. I was going to try to do 3 AoEs, but it doesn't look like that would work, so we're going to just try to chisel away. Alright. And then let's see what this other Ice Sneak does. Good, going for someone else. So we're going to go ahead and just make sure we finish you up there. Awesome. And then Iceberg might finish you, Ice Caller. We'll see. Doesn't quite finish him. But now we'll use our AoE. Alright, so this is some of the probably definitely calculator math. 88 times 39 times 30 equals 102,960. Ooh. And here is Flash. Here we go. Alright, so now we're just hitting this Ice Sneak with as much stuff. Alright, so the multiplier, our decimal place moves 1, 2, 3 places, which means our multiplier is going to have 3 zeros and a 1, which means that it's thousands. Woohoo! So if Lightning Strike doesn't finish off this Ice Sneak, then we'll have something from Keeper that definitely will. Okay, so we're going to multiply 11.00348 times 10,000, which means we are going to be moving 4 decimal places. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It would be 0.8, which is C. Woohoo! And Frost Sphere for the win. Nice. Alright, let's get these rewards and then head on back. Alright, so that is, we need to collect 2 more clues for where the parts are. Hello, Nora of the Sea. So yeah, if you are enjoying this, if this is helpful, please do remember to sub and hit that like button. I appreciate it. That helps our community to grow and allows me to know what you enjoy. Comments are always great as well. Alright, so here we are. We should be able to finish off our Forest Caller. There we go. Nice and fast. And then we'll do Shadow Blast for Scally over here. And then Frost Spear will finish this off. Nice. Okay. So we're all just about ready to hit level 79. Grab this part over here. And one more. Saquon Mountain Prison, welcome, welcome. And we are heading on. All the way up. Alright, let's go ahead and get through this. Oh, but first our Cloud Creator is going to be blocking us with a Hyphon and a Snoots. So, dividing 1800 by 10 is going to equal 180. Ooh. So, let's go ahead and bite you. In the first quadrant, you start at 5, 2 and move 3 units left and 2 units up. Okay, so let's see. It doesn't have the picture of it. So if we move 3 units left, then that would be 8. 2 units up would be 4. Okay. So we thought about this wrong. This is going to be... Oh, left. Okay, sorry. 2. And then up would be 4. Left, we're going closer to the home origin. So I was saying left, my brain was thinking towards the right. All right. 4/5 plus 1/3. So what we have to do with these fractions is we have to make sure that our denominators are like. So we're going to have to multiply this fraction by 3, this fraction by 5. And so 4 times 5 is, or 4 times 3 is 12. So this is 12/15. Plus 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times 3 is 15ths. And so what we're going to get is 17/15 as our answer. In order to add this together easily, we have to go ahead and make sure that these are balanced, they have the same denominator, so the addition works out. And so 17/15 is going to be our answer. Woohoo! So what do we want to do here? We're going to try to do Storm Globe against you and see if we can finish up, and it works. All right. And goodbye. All right, so only 474 left on Hyphon, so we're going to go for Hyphon and see if we can finish off Hyphon right now. We're going to have to do the Frost Spear to make sure we're hitting Hyphon. And good. All right. 1/5 divided by 5. Remember, fraction is inverse function of multiplication. So instead of divide by 5, we rewrite it multiply by 1/5, and our answer is going to be 1/25. Ooh. All right, Starbit, don't fail me now. Not too bad. And we have another question coming up. So multiply the fraction by the whole number. 1/3 times 5 is going to be 5/1. So 1 times 5 is 5. 3 times 1 is 1. So 5/3 is going to be our answer. Woohoo! And Lightning Strike. It's enough. Awesome. Dance Party. Woohoo! Nice. All right, let's get our rewards. And then let's open this up. All right.
Wow, what a champ!
Thank you. All right, 200 gold.
Gramps hid it at the entrance of the factory. I knew it would be there.
If you knew it would have been there, why didn't you tell me?
He always hides it in there.
He always hides it there. Why didn't you let me know to check there first? All right, these guys, man. All right, we're gonna get into a Cloud Nika battle here. All right. And so here we are multiplying these, which is going to be 3 times 3 and then 5 times 4. So our answer is going to be 9/20. 9/20 is our answer as we multiply. Remember, we were started in 4th grade looking at multiplying across, and so we're just sort of continuing to do that right now here. We'll do Shadow Blast and see where it lands. I'm not totally sold on being able to knock that Cloud Meek out. All right, another hit there. And another hit. Let's go ahead and just see where that goes. It should finish off whoever it lands on. And it does. All right, and then Iceberg. Boom. Awesome, awesome. We'll continue on down here. Go find the front of the factory. Here we go. Uh-oh.
Not you again.
Not you again. This is when we find out Pippet is a member.
Look what creatures I have just put under my shadow magic.
Uh-oh. No!
Do not fail me again, Pippet.
Right. I won't let you down.
Okay, well, I think you are. But let's go ahead and see what we can do here. Boom, boom. Alright, 4 minus, so 4 minus 4/4 minus 1/4 is going to be 3/4. What do we want to do here? I think we're just going to do some AoE for right now. Try to see if we can knock out at least one of these guys. We have Nebula hit once. And you're already gone. Jeez. Alright, 4 divided by 56. Let's go ahead and work this out, just practicing. So 4 goes into 5 one time. 1 times 4 is 4. Minus 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down the 6. That's 16. 4 goes into 16 4 times. So that will give us no remainder. So 14 is going to be our answer. Woohoo! Alright, let's see what kind of damage Flash does here. Pretty good. Brings us down a lot closer. I'm going to see if Cloud Gobbler can finish up anything. So standard algorithm, you would do the same thing. The answer is going to be 92. 92. Woohoo! And Spark Storm. Alright, so Nebula is gone. We still have Luna. Wow, nice hit, Luna. I think I can finish off Pippet here with Starbit. We can. So let's see what Luna does here. That misses. So we are good. Alright, so this is division pattern. 39,000 divided by 1 equals 39,000. And then this is 1 0 less, so we're going to move up to 10. This is 1 less, so we're going to move up to 100. And then this one, we're taking away the 1,000. So dividing by 1,000. Now, later on, I believe in 6th grade, there might be some... I don't think it's in 5th grade, but there might be some where the numbers themselves on the left side change as you explore the pattern relationship. So that is coming either this video or the next one.
No, no, no! How does this keep happening?
I don't know, Pippet. Alright, Nora of the Sea. Hello, Beckett Greenbreath. Welcome, welcome. And there is the factory key. Another battle. Alright, so 1 times 6 is going to be 6. We'll bring that down. We have 6 again, so 11 is going to be our answer, and we have to subtract the 6, so there is no remainder. Alright, we're just going to try to AoE and take everyone down. All of that hit, so we'll see what our flash does here. Alright. And there's a pretty good chance that we get this wrapped up. So 8 times 8 is 64. 64. This is going to be 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Woohoo. Alright, let's see what Sparkstorm does. We got one of them. Alright, let's see what our other guy has. Alright, Eric Hutes. We'll send an iceberg your way. Nice damage there. Okay, 3/4 minus what equals 1/2. 3/4 minus 1/4 is going to give us 2/4, which is equivalent to 1/2. So yeah, focusing on the equivalencies within the 4th grade curriculum really allows you to understand how it operates within the 5th grade curriculum as the skills get a little bit more in depth. All right, and excuse me, let's get all of our rewards here.
Wow, what a champ!
Thank you, Benny. 200 gold. Woot woot.
Head to the factory and collect spare parts. The monsters there should have plenty.
Sounds good. All right, let's come on in here, and we have to collect 5 spare parts. So hopefully each of these monsters has them. We have the Aracute that we battle. I think it's only Aracute. All right, so 2 8s plus what equals 3/4. So 2 8s could be represented as 1/4. So what we need to do is we need to add, I think we can write in 1/2. Let's see if we can write in 1/2. That works, it takes it. All right, we'll clamp down on this guy. And then see if Starbit's enough. I don't know if it is. It is, awesome. And 1 spare part, awesome. Let's get this guy. Clamp down on him. And 5/4 times what equals 40/16. So 5 times 8 is 40. And 4 times 4 is 16th. So 8/4. Woohoo. There we go. Awesome, awesome. We're close to 80, guys. There's another spare part, so we need 3 more. Let's get the balloon. Another chewed honeycomb. Wow, maybe we can go, not right now, maybe we can go do one of the battles at the end before we go and check out, not now, before we go check out the Dark Tower, if the questions don't last all the way through here. All right, times 9 equals 9/3, so 1/3 over 9 equals 9/3. So 1 times 9 is 9. 3 times 1 is 3. So 1/3 times 9 equals 9/3, which equals 3. Clamp down on you. There we go. And start bit. And there we go. And dance party. Ooh. All right. Come on over here. All right, we're gonna clamp onto you, buddy. And another question. Fill in the missing fraction. Divided by 6. So remember, that's gonna mean times 1/6 because of the inverse fraction. So 1/5 divided by 6 is equal to 1/30. Woohoo! And there we go. Nice. All right, let's get our rewards here. And then one more. Three divided by 1/6 is going to be, because it's inverse, so 1/6 becomes 6 over 1. That's going to be 18. Ooh. And there we go. Star bit. Awesome, and we are all done with our spare parts.
Wow, what a champ!
Thank you. All right, Incinerator 2000.
Voila! You now have the power of the Incinerator 2000!
Nice.
This should do the trick.
Hopefully.
First stop, the snow machine. Go teach that cloud a lesson and clear those vines.
Will do. So we're heading off to the snow machine now. One more battle here. And then we'll get over to the snow machine. 600, 600. We're going to go ahead and finish off Aerocutes. All right, 5 divided by what equals 30 over 1. So we need to multiply 5 times 6. So 1/6 would give us 30 over 1. Because we have to take the inverse of that, remember. Let's see what Flash does. I don't think it's going to finish it off, but maybe we can go ahead and do an AOE right here towards the end and get it. And we got it. All right, Singe Newt. Okay. And let's see what we've got. Reduce your answer to the lowest terms. 8 2/4 plus 5 1/4. That's going to be 3/4. For a fraction that doesn't reduce, 8 plus 5 is going to be 13. So 13 3/4. Woohoo! We'll just see what Iceberg does. I don't think it's going to be enough. We'll see. It's not. But I do want to finish you off. So we'll do that. Awesome. And we're subtracting now. So 4 minus 3 is going to be 1/5 left over. 8 minus 2 is 6. So 6 1/5. Woohoo! Let's see what Lightning Strike does here. Nice. All right, that gets all of us. We'll clamp down on you, and we should be done. We're done. Nice. All right. We have a tie. And we're heading out here. Heading over. And we're going up this a ways. All right, we have a snoots battle here. Okay, a football player advances 5/6 of a yard. Another player advances 3/6 of a yard. How much farther did the first player advance? 5 minus 3 is 2. Remember, we only, when subtraction and addition, we only work with our numerator, the number on top. The denominator stays the same, and one of the things we do need to make sure that our numerators and our denominators match. It reduced to our lowest terms. 1/3. There we go. All right, so let's go ahead and hit you, Snoots. There we go. I think that our Starbit should finish off Snoots. What times 8 over 6 equals 80, 30? So 10 over 5, which I think we can just write 2. Woohoo! And here we go. That's, ooh, not enough. You're breaking my heart here, Snoots. All right, Sparkstorm, let's see if this does it. All right, it hits each of them once. Okay, let's go ahead and see if Iceberg is enough. I don't think it is, but you never know. It is enough. Awesome. Way to go, Keeper. All right, there are our rewards. Let's head on up this way. Circle disappeared. Okay, here we go. 2 Spectrals and a Flurious. 1/2 times 1 and 1/2 is going to be, and I'm going to go ahead and switch this around to 3 seconds. I'm going to rewrite it to make the multiplication easier. It's going to be 3/4. 3/4. Woohoo. Okay, so let's see if we can get you out of here. You're out of here. There we go. And then I'll use Starbit against Flurious. There we go. Spectral lands. And let's see if we can finish him off. A fish store has 6 tons of fish food. How many months would it take them to use it all if they used 1/5 of a ton every month? All right, so for this, we are going to be doing 6 divided by 1/5 is 1/5 a month, and then we have to invert it to 5 over 1, and then multiplication. And so 1/5 they use every month, so 6 times 5, it would be 30 months it would take them to use all of that. There we go. And so 30 over 1 is our answer. Now let's see if Frost Spear is enough. No, it's not. All right, we're going to do something risky here. We're going to do Iceberg against Flurious. There we go. And I think our AoE spell will finish this up. Roseanne had 1/3 of a pizza left over. Then they split the remainder of the pizza so they could share it with 4 friends. What fraction of the pizza did each friend get? If you take 1/3, let's go ahead and, we haven't used these fraction blocks at all. If you take 1/3 and you divide it into 4 sections, 2, 3, and then 4, each person is going to get 1/12 of the pizza. Woohoo! And let's see if Flash finishes it off. It should. It does. Alright, here we go. And let's get all of our rewards. And then let's go ahead and take care of these plants here, these vines. Uh-oh, boss battle time. Okay. Your friend brought 1/6 of a pie to school to share between 6 friends. 1/6 divided by 6 over 1. We are going to have to invert this to 1/6 and multiply. 1 times 1 is 1. 6 times 6 is 36. So each friend gets 1/36 of the original pie. And let's go ahead and just hit Frost Spear. See what kind of damage that does. 502. That's nice. And that's a pretty tough hit there. We'll send Shadow Blast its way. There we go. And then Frost Spear. That might be enough. It is enough. Awesome. Battle is over. Alright, we have a medal there.
Wow, what a champ!
Thank you. Gold and the Angelic Shroud. Not now.
The rain machine is next.
Sounds good. Off to the rain machine. Here we go. Yeah, no monsters to fight right now, so we are kind of cruising along, aren't we? Alright, up this way. And boss battle, here we come. So let's see what this is. Weak to lightning, so that's going to be good. We'll clamp down on it. This is a dirty cloud. Alright, a glass of water was half of a liter. How many glasses would it take to fill up a 9-liter jug? 9 divided by 1. Remember, you have to invert it. So we're going to do 1 times 1. 9 times 2 is 18. So 1, 8. Oh, wait. All right. So this is actually, there's going to be 18 glasses to fill up the 9-liter jug. So these are actually backwards, because 1/18 doesn't make sense. So this is the first one is going to be 9 over 1. And then this is going to be half a liter. So this is how many half-a-liter jugs will fill up this. And so this is going to be, or how many would go into that? That would be 18 inside of the group. There we go. So sometimes you have to look at your answer, then figure out if your answer is giving you the correct information or if you have to switch it around. With this, and taking that time to think, does this logically make sense, is very helpful. To make punch for a party, you need 6 and 2/6 bottles of juice and 9 and 1/6 bottles of soda. How many bottles do you need in total? You need 15 and a half. 15. I don't know how to write a mixed number here. 15.5? Let me try to do 15.5 and see if it accepts. It does. 15. Oh, there's a space. I see. I see the space now. All right, there we go. So 44 goes into 69 one time. So we put 44 here. 69 minus 44. is going to give us 25. We pull down the other 5, so we have 255. 4 times, that's that, only 5 will go in there. 6 is too much. So this is going to be 220. And then 255 minus 220 is going to give us a remainder of 35. Woohoo, 15, remainder of 35 would be how we write that. And then iceberg. And this one is done as well. Woot woot. All right, get our rewards.
You helped me out. Thanks, I guess.
You're welcome. 200 gold.
Last up, the wind machine. You got this, Wiz.
Thank you. And Sasha Strongpedal is using a morph marble. Coming on up over here. And over this way. And then over here. Wow, there are no monsters, are there? Finally! Hey, Cloud Nibbler. And an Evolotus. Alright, we're going to be doing some AoEs here. Here we go. Here we go. And then Cloud Gobbler should finish this up. And I think Cloud Gobbler should go before Cloud Nibbler. Let's go ahead and see if Evolotus is done with. Evolotus is done with, awesome. And Cloud Nibbler goes. And now Keeper is going to use Iceberg, and we're good to go. Use standard algorithm to divide. All right, so 93 goes into 45. Would be... So when there's remainders, sometimes you kind of have to do the work. So let's go and do... no, let's delete that. 9 times 5 would not work, so we're going to do 4. And this is 93 times 4. Let's get our number. 372. 6 minus 2 is 4. 5, that would be 15 minus 7 is 8, 84. 840. And so 93 times 8, 93. Let me try 93 times 9. 93 times 9 is 837. So our remainder is going to be 3. And our answer is going to be 49. 49, remainder 3. Ooh. And then Iceberg is going to finish this off for us. Nice. All right. Let's get all of our rewards here and then come on down. All right, and let's get into this other battle. Can't plug it in yet. Alright, we're going to do Frost Spear at this guy. There we go. And... so this is another one. So 33 would go into 66, but this doesn't. So we're going to do 1, 39. This is going to be 20. We have to regroup. 27, 274. And so I think that should be 39 times 8. Nope. 39 times 6. Let's do 39 times 7 to 73. Okay, so 39 times 7, so this is going to be 17. Remainder 1. 273 minus 274 will give us a remainder of 1. The remainder is what's left over at the bottom. Shadow Blast. There we go. All right, so 62. Okay, so this would go into it 6 times. 6 times 62 is 372. And then minus this out, this is going to be 15. Bring down the 2. 152 minus 124. Is 28. And there we go. So lightning strike here. Boom. And iceberg. Mori picks up some old furniture that weighs 1123 pounds. The combined weight of the furniture in the truck is 8122. Mori drops off the furniture and picks up new items that weigh 876 pounds. What is the combined weight of the new items in the truck? Okay, so combined weight of this is all pounds. That's the first thing you have to check. Is 8122, which means we have to subtract 1, 1, 2, 3. So a lot of regrouping here. This is going to be 7, 10, 11, 12. So this is going to be 6, 9, 9, 9. 6,999. And then he picks up something that weighs 876. So let's go ahead and do 876 here. And then we'll add down 15, 17, 18, 7875. 7,875 pounds. Woohoo! So the main thing with questions like that is just asking yourself, what do I need to do? Which direction should I go? And then once you establish that, go ahead and roll with it. Just follow the process in that order, and then you're good to go. Boom. All right, almost to 81. All right, let's get our rewards.
Wow, what a champ!
Thank you.
I'd say it's time for you to learn a new spell.
Oh, that's awesome. Strong Storm Relic. Woot woot.
It's time for you to meet Gramps. Tell him about those nasty clouds.
Sounds good.
He's the Cloudmaster General. He'll know what to do.
Sounds good.
He sits around all day in the factory in that massage chair.
Uh-oh. I'm gonna have to steal his chair, I think. Alright, we're heading back up over here into the factory. Brandon Flametail, Captain Page, welcome. Up through here. Let's get in this battle. Alright, you have 2 Cogmites and an Aracute. And we're gonna do AoE here. Alright. A total of 1,024 millimeters of snow fell last year, and it was predicted that 8 times as much snow will fall this year. This year, it ended up snowing 287 millimeters less than predicted. How much snow fell this year? All right, so we're taking 1,024. Predicted 8 times as much would fall this year. So 1,024 times 8 equals 8,192. Then we subtract our 287, which gives us 7,905. And there we go. All right, I think Starbit should finish off Ericute quite well. No. In a shocking turn of events, we're throwing a Storm Globe at Ericute just to finish it off. All right. Another hit there. All right, fill in the missing coordinates. This is x-axis is here, y, x is before y in the alphabet, x goes first before y in here. So 5, comma, 1. Woohoo! All right, this is 305. Let's see if Iceberg is enough. It is enough. All right, now we have to launch Shadow Blast and see what that does. Not quite enough. And that's okay. All right, select the fractions that add to 3/4. So 2/4 plus 1/4 is going to add up to 3/4. And Lightning Strike will definitely finish this off. So we're ready to go meet Gramps. 81. All right, let's get these rewards. Swing on in here.
Oh, you pesky robots! Leave me be!
Get away from Gramps, guys.
We'd better help him out.
Yes, we had better. All right, it's the Bitbot Army. Let's see what Hail Shards does. This is one of them. All right, 1/5 subtract to 1/5. 4/5 minus 3/5 equals 1/5. All right, Flash, we'll do that. And then we'll take care of one of these guys here. There we go. Double hit. Let's see what this Bitbot does. Big hit there. I think that's our, let's see, 6/3 times 9. Without multiplying, 6/3 times 9 is going to be double 9, so that's going to be greater than. Basically, when it says without multiplying, what it's really testing is your ability to just look at the math and understand what's happening with it, that logical faculty, that logical ability to read the math, understand it, and then figure out what's best, because you're a better mathematician if you approach it with your thoughts. All right.
Hi now, a wizard are ya? Pleasure to meet ya.
Thank you, Eugene.
The name is Eugene Grant, otherwise known as the all-powerful Cloudmaster.
Welcome.
Cloudmaster General.
Welcome.
So, I bet them clouds have my grandkids running wild, huh?
Yes, they do. Though they have me running wild.
Every time those two scamps get arguing, I send out my clouds. Thing is, they never realize it's me what does it.
Jeez. Eugene.
Tell Benny to give you the master key. It's time for the finale of my little prank.
You realize that I am the butt of your jokes? I'm the one, not them.
Wow, what a champ!
Thank you. All right, the winged helm. Not now.
You want the key, Benny? See, we had the key, but we broke it.
Benny.
I'm pretty sure the pieces are around here somewhere.
I'm sure they are. All right, let's get this treasure chest and we'll fight this wizard here. And then we'll move onward. Arachex and this is Gear Sight, and Barry Boss is his name. We're gonna do Frost Spear against Barry Boss and see if we can finish off Barry Boss in this first round. Without multiplying, so this is gonna be times 1/5, so this is gonna be smaller than 1/2. So 1/2 is greater than 1/5 of 1/2. All right, I don't think the star bet's gonna be enough. Let's see. Not quite. But we're gonna switch to some AoE. Definitely needed that heal, Arachex. Plot the point 1, 3. Remember x-axis and then y-axis. 1, 3. Woohoo! All right, please finish off Barry Boss. Nice. All right, pretty good hit there. Pretty good hit there. All right, show me where, show where point X would be if it was moved left 7, left 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and down 2. There it would be. Woohoo. You can check the math as well. Iceberg. Boom. I think we're actually going to do Flash here. All right. And then Lightning Strike for our finale. Nice. All right, there are our rewards. And we have to go out there to go ahead and find these rewards. Let's head on out. Brody Earthman, welcome, welcome. And we're heading this way. Ooh, haha. Here we go. Benjamin Lifepants, hello, hello. That Prodraxis looks really cool up there, doesn't it? All right, so I think we need to take the Prodraxis out. So I'm going to do Clamp here. And let's see. Brendan has 6 coconuts. Each coconut weighs the same, and the total mass of the coconuts is 6.6 pounds. Each coconut is 1.1 pounds. 6 divided by 6.6. Brendan has another 4.3 pounds of coconuts adds to his bowl. What is the total mass of all the coconuts in ounces? Remember, there's 16 ounces in a coconut. So first we have to do is add 6.6 plus 4.3, which is going to be 10.9 times 16, 174.4. And there we go. All right, hopefully this hits Prodraxis. It doesn't. Boom. All right, Prodraxis gets all of us. So what is the area of this rectangle? 3/4 times 5/7. Let's just write this one out. So 3 times 3 times 5 is 15. 4 times 7 is 28. So 13/28 is going to be, 15. I don't know why I did that. 15/28 is going to be the answer. All right, Storm Globe, let's finish you off. There we go. All right, a brown snake is 17 inches shorter than a green snake. The green snake is 78 inches. how long is the brown snake? Brown snake is 17 inches shorter than the green snake, so that would be 78 minus 17 is what we're looking for to solve the problem, and that's the expression that would help us out. All right, let's see if iceberg is enough. I don't think it's going to be. It's not. And starbit is though. Boom. All right. Get all of the rewards here, and then come on down. Here's one of the parts. And let's head on back up to collect one more part. And then we have the key. Benny and Broccolina are hilarious. All right. And we're heading on over to the rain machine. Going down. And there is the other one.
You helped me out. Thanks, I guess.
You're welcome. All right, master key.
So it seems Gramps wants you to head to the Cumulus room. Strange. He always sends wizards there.
Why do you guys always do this? You're so weird.
He never lets us go in there.
Because you guys are a wreck. You break keys. It's just, yeah. There's absolutely no reason why you would ever go there, guys. All right. Cumulus room, here we come. Up we go. And up we go. We'll battle this gear site and then we'll head on in. All right, and we're gonna start off with. Let's do that. Nice. Okay, so complete the statement with below without multiplying. So 4 and 2/5 is the constant. 1/5 of 4 and 2/5, that's multiplying that. That's going to be less than 4 and 2/5 without taking 1/5 of it. All right, so we are going to go ahead and see if Starbit will finish off this gear site. Not quite. Which means our next move is going to be AoE. Alright, so Sparkstorm has 2 chances to finish off that gear site. The second one does land. Alright. And then I'm kind of trying to 1/3 plus what equals 5/6. So this would be 2/6, so this would be 3/6. We would have to add to it. 2/6 plus 3/6 equals 5/6. It says don't reduce, so I think it wants 3/6 there. All right, and we're just going to go ahead and take our iceberg, make sure we finish off our aquariate right there. There we go. And let's do Shadow Blast here. Alright, we're sitting pretty as far as finishing up this Cogmite. 11/12 minus what equals, this would be 3 times 4, so 3. 11 minus 3 is going to give us 8. So 8/12 is what we would subtract to get 1/4. Woohoo! Lightning Strike. Boom. And we are done. All right, get all of our rewards, unlock the door, and no bluff time. All right, 530, 530, 750. I am going to go ahead and do Frost Spear with Snoots and see if we can get Snoots low enough to go ahead and finish him off right now. If you mix the flour and the almonds together, how many cups will there be in all? Write your answer as a reduced fraction, so we have to reduce it. So we have flour and almonds. Half a cup of flour, quarter cup of almonds. Well, this is 2/4 cups of flour, 2, 3, so 3/4 is going to be how many we would have. We don't have to reduce that. There is nowhere to reduce that to. I think we need a critical. We did not get a critical, but that's okay. And that hits. So we are going to go ahead and just make sure we finish off Snoots here. There we go. All right, where would point A be if it were moved right 3, 1, 2, 3, and down 2, 1, 2? It would be 9, 1. Ooh. All right, let's go for Cloud Caller. I believe Cloud Caller is next up in rotation. And Starbit should finish off Cloud Caller. Let's see what happens here. It does. Awesome. Round to the nearest 10th. So this is the 10th place. So that is going to round up to 28. No, that would round up to 0. So that should be 28. Yep. Good. All right, Lightning Strike. Here we go. Boom. And then right after this is going to be the battle. So we're going to get straight into the battle right after this. Frost Spear. And that's enough. Goodbye, Nibluff. All right. Let's get the rewards. And now we're going to defeat the boss. So this is our last area boss to defeat. So we're multiplying 7506 times 72. And that I checked my numbers that I multiplied. So 540,432 is correct. Let's get some magic here. And weak to plants. We'll just go ahead and take a clamp out of you. Alright, hits all of us. What is the pattern rule? So this is let's see, 61 to 64. This is ascending by 3. Start with 61 and add 3 to each term to get the next term. Shadow Blast. Here we go. Lightning Strike. Alright, we're halfway. Iceberg. Just about there. And Shadow Blast. That's it. We have defeated it. Yes. Awesome. All right, let's go ahead and get all of our rewards here.
All finished. Let's head back, okay?
Okay.
Gramps, what are you doing out here?
Yeah, seriously, get back to the massage chair.
And when was the last time you took a bath?
Broccolina, you're starting to smell a little ripe yourself, so worry about you.
This wizard here is a true hero, and the hero of Skywatch always gets a deserving reward.
Which is a Gramps without a bath. Alright, Skywatch Gem and the powerful Storm Relic. Woot woot.
Wow, you have all the key stars! stones!
Nice.
Let's hurry to the academy and teach the puppet master a lesson!
Not now. All right.
Wow, you helped me out. Thank
Wow.
All right. So we have about 25 questions or so left. What we're going to be
With
doing...
the power of the keystones, we can finally free the academy!
We are going to head on over here to the Dark Tower, do the Dark Tower, wrap this up. For 6th, 7th, 8th, I'm probably going to start a new account. I'll hold on to this one just in case I want to do something a little bit later with the Puppet Master or something else. But we're going to go ahead and finish this up with the Dark Tower. Hello, Mira Shade.
Hello.
Hello there, young one. Welcome to the Dark Tower. Well, thank you.
The name's Mira.
And this tower was once the home to a powerful wizard who built it to test the power of other wizards. It is said that whoever can conquer every floor and make it to the top is a true wizard. But there is a catch. The battles here are harder, and once you leave the tower, you must start over. However, if you defeat the opponents on every 5th floor, you can return to that floor if you leave. Do you want to start climbing the tower from floor 1? Let's start. All right. I love the background in here. Absolutely love it. All right, it is spinning. And the bonuses aren't going to matter too much, I don't think. So we have one fun keel. And in the expression below, which of the following is the first operation you should perform? We should perform division. So what it's asking us is PEMDAS. And so the P is for parentheses, E is for exponents, M and D are multiplication and division, A and S is addition and subtraction. So the first thing we do is parentheses. Then we take a look for exponents. Then we do, starting from the left over to the right, we do either multiplication or division. Whatever comes first is fine. And then last, we do the addition and subtraction. So PEMDAS is a very important thing to do. So division is the first thing we're going to do there. And let's go and take a bite out of that fun keel. Delicious. All right. And here we go. Up to the next level. Chance wheel time. All right, damage is reduced. Here we have a squibble. Love the bubbles coming out of him. All right, let's go ahead and also clamp down on him. There we go. So for the first little bit, every other battle will be getting a question. And we'll come on up here. Floor 3. Spin, spin, spin. Double stars. Awesome. And here we have a Banil. I like how the fins on top sort of fluctuate a little bit. Okay, so remember parentheses is first. So 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 times 2 is going to be 14. 16 minus 14 is going to be 2. Ooh. And let's do Frost Spear. There we go. Awesome, awesome. All right, we'll get the rewards. And keep on climbing, keep on climbing. Let's go ahead and click here. Chance wheel time. Spinning around, spinning around. Where is it going to end up? Double stars again. Woot woot. All right, here we go. And let's go ahead and get this wobble. There we go. Awesome. All right, get these rewards. Keep on heading up.
You ready?
Here's your first boss. There is one on every 5th floor. Let's see how well you do. I think we'll get at least to, oh man. Let me think for the name. Which pattern will reach 24 first? So here we have, this was gonna reach 24 first. It's the next instance. Okay. We'll do Hail Shard, see if that finishes both of these guys off. It misses one. We should get at least to Grand off. Round to the nearest 100th. The 100th is right over here, so it's going to be 3.06. We're going to move up because of our 9 here. So remember, 5 and above we round up. 4 and below we don't round. The number doesn't change. So we round down, but it doesn't actually change. All right, so 1 times 1 is 1. We don't regroup anything at all. 1 times 2 is 2. And we do not have a hundredths place. Woohoo. Let's go ahead and do Lightning Strike, see how much damage we can get here. 999, 824, not bad. Not bad at all. All right, get all of these rewards, and we're gonna come on up here, continuing on up to floor number 6. And spinning around, let's see what we land on. Heart reduction, we lose 20% of our hearts. Got a Muckster. Alright, Frost Spear, he's weak to ice, so there we go. Over and done with. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, get these rewards. Make it up to the next one. Chance wheel time. Spinning around. And only 10% hearts lost. Alright, so we have a truckle here. So we are going to be writing our steps out. 5 times 6 is 30. 20, so this is 230 here. Plus, we have a 0. 6 times 3 is 18, 12, 13. So it's going to be 1380 in this one. And then we're going to add down, which is going to be 1610. And there we go. Alright, we'll do Frost Spear. And goodbye, Truckle. Alright, creeping closer to 83. Get all of our rewards here. Floor number 8. Wheel is spinning around. And reduced damage. All right, they're getting tougher. We have a clip clop here. And there we go. All right, we'll get our rewards here. Floor 9. This is a really fun game mode. I really like the Dark Tower. It's quite enjoyable. I wish you could play it like replay it maybe once a quarter or something like that, and there would be like certain rewards you would get, maybe magic coins when you get to the top. I don't know. All right, so we're multiplying. Total calculator math here for me. So 2892 times 56, that's 161,950. Not 9520, 952. 161,952. 161,952. Frost Spear there. Boom, and we are done. Awesome. Get the rewards. I wonder if we can get all the way up to Mira before we run out of skills. Here's 10. The wizard of this academy was once a student at the academy just like you, but the wizard was much stronger. Way stronger. Alright, so we have a shade and a spectral. Let's see if hail shards will finish them off. We missed one, so it doesn't. Shadow Blast should do the trick. And it misses. Wow. So Frost Spear to finish the job. We are all out of energy, so it will be Question City next time we go around. 83. All right, let's get all of our rewards.
Not bad.
Hey, you're doing great. Here's a little reward. 500 gold. Awesome, awesome. All right, chance wheel time. Double stars. All right, we have one sprite. And let's see, 32 times 1 is 32. 32 times 10 is 320. 32 times 100 is 3200. 32 times 1000 is 32,000. Woohoo! And we'll clamp down on you, little sprite. There we go. All right, get all rewards. Here is 12. I really like the background, how they updated the background in this mode. It's so cool. It's really, really neat. All right, a little bit extra health. We have a flame gur here. And Frost Spear should finish it off for us. Let's see. It does. Awesome. Alright, 16 battle stars, and we'll get our rewards. Keep on heading up here. This is level 13. Alright, double stars. Alright, so we're multiplying 6 times 8 is 48, so you have to regroup that. 8 times 3 is 24, plus 4 is 28. And our music is back, so let's go ahead and do 288. That should be correct. Awesome, awesome. Let's go ahead and cross spear this ashlet. There we go. All right. Apologies for that little break in the music. What happens is this video is so long that my recording software stops acknowledging the computer audio. So, yeah. Something you learn when you start doing different types of videos. But we're back. Seems to be about 2.5 hours into the video that happens, which is weird. We gained 10% hearts right now. And we have an Infernoot. Alright, and we'll take a bite out of you. There we go. Alright, a few more stars here. Let's get the rewards. And here's 15. The wizard practiced alone, not wanting any help from the other academy students. He didn't want to waste time on them. They would only hold him back. Alright, so here we go. This is another boss battle. So 55 times 88, 440. Our next one, this will be a 0 because we're doing the tens place. 8 times 5 would be 0 as well. And so 0 plus 0 is 0. And we have our 4 plus 4, 8. And then this is 4. So there we go. That is our answer. We're going to go ahead and do hail shards. And didn't finish it off, but that's okay. We have a 0 over here. 9 times 9 is 81. So this is going to be a 1. Adding down 1 plus 0 is 1. At our very far end, we are going to add 1 to that as well in the 100,000s place. Alright, and then Flash should finish this up. Boom. Nice, nice, nice. Alright, and then, yeah, by the time we get to Griff, not Griff, for some reason Griffram is popping up into my brain when in my head I see Grandolph. Hopefully when we get to Grandolph, we will go ahead and be at a level where we can go ahead and get a couple questions in for each battle, you know, so. Oh, this breaks my heart. Hi, little buddy. How are you? Hi, Sorrel. Sorry to do this, but I'm gonna gobble you up. Delicioso. All right. And getting all rewards. Head up to the next level. 17 is here. Let's spin the wheel. Double stars. Nice. All right, we have a Kreela. I would love to get these. If these are available, add 18 and 4, then subtract 4. 18 plus 4 minus 4. And that's how we would write that expression. I would love for these original starter packs to be available during the next Starlight Festival. I don't think they're going to be, but if they would be, that would be insane. That would be really neat. All right, we're getting all of our rewards, so let's keep on heading up. This is 18 here, chance wheel time. Spinning around. All right, 10% heart bonus. And then here we have a Solarisis. So Solarix. Let's use Frost Spear, we'll freeze it. There we go. Awesome, awesome. And we will get these rewards, then head on up. Higher and higher to 19, boss level, next level. I think we should be able to make it to Grandoff before we run out of questions. And let's see, double stars, woots woots, that is awesome. Hello, Celestia. All right, subtract 8 from 20. So 20 minus 8 times 6. And so what these parentheses do is help us to do this before the multiplication, so that we're not doing 20 minus 86. Or 48, sorry. Woo! All right, and let's go ahead and we'll take a bite out of you as well, buddy. There we go. Awesome, awesome. So yeah, we have about 12 questions left. I think I do want to end this by battling Grandoff if it's close. So the wizard left the academy a long time ago to train alone. He came here and built this tower using his awesome power. What a guy! All right, so here we have this is a Solarisis, and then we have the Aureate. Let's see if Hail Shards is enough. Not quite. But here we have Flash, which will finish it off for us. Awesome, awesome. All right. We'll get all rewards.
Not bad.
Hey, you're doing great. Here's a little reward. 500 gold. Thank you, Mira. All right, so up we go. Chance wheel time. Spinning around. All right, damage increases. Look, we have little Pico. And then if you look right over here, let's see, complete the math census to show how many stars Sharon earned. Sharon has a favorite video game she likes to play. She earned 700 points. She knows that she can earn 10 points per star. Okay, so we have 700 points divided by 10 points per star equals 70 stars. Woohoo! All right, and goodbye, Pico. Nice to see you, buddy. Goodbye, goodbye. All right, and here we are. Get all of these rewards and then head on up a little further. 22. And we have some damage increase. All right, we have a Saplet. Frost Spear for the win. Nice, nice, nice. All right. got a cowboy hat. Yeah, let's keep on climbing. 23, let's see what happens. Double stars. So we should be climbing a level, what was it, to 84, I think? Here's Rack Rack. All right, so 350 times 51. Let me get my calculator open here. 350 times 50. All right, 17,850. 17,850. 17,850. There we go. And Frost Spear. There we go. Dance Party, yep, 84. Nice, nice, nice. All right, we'll get our rewards. Climb on up a little bit further. And then this is 24. All right. Here we have an Arboreal. Or Arboreal. And there we go. All right, let's get all of our rewards and then keep on climbing up a little bit higher. This is 25.
Not bad.
You made it to floor 25, 1/4 of the way there. Not bad, but not great. All right, so here we have Fliger and we have a Vine Queen. So the school has 1,200 crayons. The teacher divides them evenly between 20 boxes and puts 2 boxes in each classroom. How many crayons are there in each classroom? So 20 boxes for 1,200 crayons, which means that each box has 60 crayons. And then she divides, let's see, 1,200 crayons into the boxes, puts 2 boxes in each classroom. So 60 crayons are in each box, and then she puts 2 boxes in, so 120. We have to multiply the 120. There we go. So sometimes you'll get stuck in a different area, in a different line of thinking, and that's okay. I like that there's a Flamegur. I like that there's a Flygur. I wish that there would be like an Icegur and other things like that. It's kind of a neat like monster line. That would be cool. All right, and we are moving on to the next floor. 26. Chance Wheel Time. All right, gain 20% hearts. Here we have Ruckus. Let's go ahead and do Frost Spear. That should finish him off, I think. Ooh, it doesn't. And select the equation that represents the following problem. Adeline received 300 of the most popular beads for her birthday. There are 30 beads per package. How many packages did she receive? So that would be 300 divided by 30 would give us how many packages there are. All right, and Starbit for the win. Goodbye, Ruckus. Awesome, awesome. All right, let's get our rewards. And climbing it up to floor 27. I think we are going to go all the way to Grandoff. Grandoff is a really fun battle, and I love the monster. So I think we're going to end at Grandoff. We might get into the placement test a little bit. That's triggered once we finish all of our grade level content. And then when we start 6th grade, I'm going to start with a new account. So we can go ahead and go through these skills. Again, use the place value chart to determine the change in value of the 2. 2 from here to there, it is 10 times, let's see. The 2 from here to there, it's 10 times greater. Woohoo! And let's try to clamp onto you, Naughty. There we go. All right. And get the rewards. Climb on up here. 28. Chance wheel time. And reduced hearts. All right, we have 1 Snoots. Snoots is resistant to physical attacks, so let's see what happens with this. And Starbit's gonna finish it off for us. Boom. Okay. So, get all rewards. I wasn't really expecting to finish all of the different areas as quickly as I did. I was expecting to be able to do all 8 grades on one account. So it's interesting. Losing 20% hearts. Wow. Here is Shardik. And compare, this is going to be 714 plus 70, which would be higher than 770 minus 770, so it's going to be greater than that one. Let's see, Frost Spear, what is that going to do? 298. All right, convert this number to hundredths. 160. I think this is right. Let's see, add 2 zeros after 160 and remove. Oh, okay, gotcha. There we go. Okay. So 160 is 106 or 16,000 thousandths. 16 thousandths. 16 thousandths. Oh, got it. So that's what it was asking us to do. All right. And let's get all of our rewards and then continue climbing. This is 30. For years and years, the wizard trained here alone. He mastered all the elements, learned all the spells. But the wizard didn't need any help from the dumb academy to do it. All right, here we are. It's getting a little bit more intense here. We're going to go ahead and see if Hail Shards hits everyone. It does. Which means that Flash might finish it up. Not at all. All right, here comes... Which graph represents the pattern? 4 to 11. 4 to 11. 5 to 12. B would represent the pattern. All right, Spark Storm, go get him. Nice. All right, so we are on to the next floor.
Not bad.
Hey, you're doing great. Here's a little reward. Another 500. Thank you, Amira. And 31. So 19 more levels to go. And slow speed. All right, we have a burn newt here. Which pattern of values is in the table? 2, 4, 3, 5, 4, 6. That would be A there. Woohoo. All right, we're gonna bite burn newt. Didn't quite finish him off. Which pattern description represents the graph shown below? Okay, so this is 1,000 and 1,300. X pattern starts at 1,000 and then adds 3. That's correct. All right, so we can cross off this last one. That's wrong. X pattern starts at, and then Y pattern starts at 1,300 and then adds 300. Adds 300. Yep. Okay, so B is correct. A says subtracts 300. Starbit. There we go. Awesome, awesome. So we have just a few more left in our 5th grade curriculum. I hope this was helpful. If you have enjoyed this, please do make sure you are subbed. Thank you for hitting the like button, and thank you for leaving comments as well. All right, it's spinning around now. Lose 10% hearts. Here we have a wick. Let's go ahead and do frost spear. Not quite enough. Starbit. Boom. All right. We'll get all of these rewards and then continue climbing. 33. Here comes the chance wheel. Power increased. Damage increased. All right. Here we have a fish roll. All right, so 4 is 9. 5 is 14. 8 is 29, it looks like. We're increasing by 5. So there we go. Goodbye, fish roll. All right. We might be 85 by the time we encounter Grandoff. We're making our way up. Level 34. All right, gain 20 hearts. Here we have Flaria. And let's see if that's enough. Goodbye, Flaria. Okay, and onward and upward. 35. One day the wizard decided he was done training. He was already the best wizard ever. So he decided to challenge the other wizards at the academy to prove he was the best. Uh-oh, it's a pony parade. Okay, so y equals 11t. So this would be 11. 2 times 22, 4 times 44. The letter being after the number means that we multiply them together. And that's a sort of short way to write it so that the math is a little quicker to do. We're just going to do hail shards here. Let's see if we can AoE them. Which is a pentagon. All right, so we are done with the 5th grade stuff. If you want to hang out for a little while longer until I get to Grandoff, you definitely can. I will be battling up to Grandoff, so that's going to happen in just a little while. Grandoff is on floor 50. I believe this was 35. So we'll get some easier questions, you guys, and then we'll wrap this up. And we'll be back with 6th grade with a new account, so... Alright, here we are. We've got the hearts. I'm going to do the first little bit until we're in Firefly Forest squarely. So when we come back for 6th grade content, we're going to be starting out inside of Firefly Forest. Let's bite you. Alright. And then Starbit. Nice. Yeah, thank you for joining me for this. This was a wonderful time. I hope it's helpful for you as well if you decide to sit down and go ahead and enjoy it. Get all of the rewards here. Climb on up. 37. Spinning around. And reduce speed. All right, here is Funkio. How many people picked pizza? 9 people picked pizza. There we go, and let's do Frostbeer. All right, how many people responded in total? 6 plus 10 is 16, plus 3 is 19. Woohoo! Yeah, I'll say Starbit will finish you off. There we go. Awesome. We might actually be 86 by the time we get to Grandoff. 38. All right, 20% hearts. We gain 20% hearts. Here is Burn Newt. Clamp onto you, buddy. Okay. And then Starbit. Boom. All right, next one we should be 85. There's 39. All right, 20% hearts. This is a squibble. All right, how many more people picked red than blue? 8 people. 8 more people picked red than blue. Let's take a clamp out of you. Not quite. How many fewer people picked fish than lizard? 2. It's a difference of 2. Ooh. Starbit. Nice. Dance party. All right, let's get our rewards and keep on climbing. Level 40. No wizard could match him, and so the wizard created this super cool test to challenge wizards instead.
Huh.
He called it the really, really hard test of trials. All right, here we go. We are just going to go AoE on these guys. We missed one of them, so it's going to be going into Cloud Gobbler territory. And then maybe even back up to our friend, Keeper. How much would these fruit cost in total? Let's see. So this is $1. This is 6. Plus 4 is going to be 10. So $10 in total. That's some cheap fruit these days. All right, Sparkstorm. Okay, so we have just Singe Newt left, and Singe Newt just sent his best at us. And I think how many students answered in total? This is 6, 12, 18, 28, 32. Woohoo! We're going to send an iceberg at Singe Newt, and that should finish him off. It does. All right, there we go. Get all.
Not bad.
Hey, you're doing great. Here's a little reward. Thank you. Thank you, Mira. All right, we have 9 more levels until we see Grandoff. Okay, 10% hearts. Bataran. Let's see how Frost Spear treats you. 104, not bad. And how many people used a football? 9 people used a football. And Starbit for the win. Boom. All right. 42. All right, 10% hearts. Here we go with a Brookfang. So how many red cars are in the parking lot? There are 13 red cars in the parking lot. Woohoo! Let's launch a Frost Spear at you. There we go. And then a Starbit. Nice. All right. Get all the rewards. Climb up a little higher. 43. And losing 20% hearts. All right, we have a Snoots here. We'll start out with Frost Spear. And then we'll finish it up with a Starbit. 8 minus 2 is going to give us 6. All right, Starbit, here we go. Boom. All right. So we're almost to grand off here. 44. Plus 10% hearts. All right. Oh, here we have our keeper. Keeper to keeper. 10 minus 6 is going to equal 4. Let's go ahead and take a bite out of him. Not quite enough. But Starbit will finish it up. Boom. Awesome, awesome. There we go. So we might not make it to 86 before we get to grand off, but here is 45, I believe. So let's see. For this test, the wizards summoned the strongest monsters possible to challenge wizards at each level, each floor. These monsters are the bosses of this tower. Here's another one now. All right, so we have a Prodraxis. We have the Ivory Trip Trap, Prodraxis, and then Sarazad. We're going to start out with some AoEs here. All of those hit. So Ivory Truckle... No, Ivory Trip Trap might still be left standing after this, but the others should be finished. Yep. So he hits. And Lightning Strike. There we go. All right, so here we are, 46 now. So close to Grand Off Battle. This has been a great time going over these skills with you guys for our 5th grade curriculum. 6th grade, hopefully I'll be getting out tomorrow. And we'll continue looking at skills, you know, somewhat along these ways with some longer videos. If you are working on that skill or would like a refresher, then the video will be there for you. 7 plus 10, that is 17. All right, and let's go ahead and do Clamp. There we go. Okay, get all rewards. Climb on up here. And 47. Damage increase. Alright, let's go ahead and do... Actually, let's see what Clamp does to you, Riverneek. And there we go. Okay, cool. Get all of these rewards. Come on up to the next level. 48. Chance wheel time. We are going to get double stars. Nice, double stars. So crazy. One more floor and then it's the Grand Off Battle. I love the Grand Off Battle so much. The difference, that has a difference of 5, 7 and 2. If we subtract them, 5 is the other part. So there we go. Nice. All right. Get all rewards. 49. Here we are. Spin around. And reduce 10% hearts. We have a Cloudneek. The only thing standing in the way of us and Grandoff is that Cloudneek and the Billyfoot hanging upside down like a bat. All right. Boom. Nice. Okay, let's get all rewards. And then here we go. Love this battle. Absolutely love it. Floor 50.
Huh.
Floor 50 already. You've come all this way to challenge the strongest, have you?
You ready?
If so, then you must first challenge the father of all dragons, Grandoff. Here is Grandoff. I love that. Such a cool dragon. Okay, so we are going to start out the pair. The difference of 5, 25, and 20 have a difference of 5. Absolutely love this battle. Let's go ahead and do Frost Spear here. Boom. And then we're going to go ahead and today Matilda picked 20 apples from their tree. The next day they picked 30 more. How many apples? 50. 20 plus 30 is 50. Starbit, is that going to finish it? I don't think it is. Nope, not quite. And here we are finishing up this battle. Mabel's class wrote 34 cards to children staying in hospitals. Another class wrote 57. How many classes did they write all together? That is going to be 91. There's a little bit of regrouping in there. And goodbye, Grandoff, and goodbye, 5th grade content. Well, we said goodbye to the 5th grade content probably about 30 minutes ago. But I hope you had a wonderful time with this. I love this Grandoff battle. It's a perfect way to finish this up. We'll be back with 6th grade skills. Be sure to like, be sure to sub, and 6th grade skills will be coming very soon.
Not bad.
Hey, you're doing great. Here's a little reward on a new account so that we can go ahead and play through again with those skills. Be sure to like, be sure to subscribe. We'll be seeing you back here later. If there's any sort of content that you have questions with academically, please do let me know as well. I'm happy to do videos with that as we go into this new school year. Have a good one. Keep on prodigying on. We'll see you next time, guys. Bye-bye.